My name is Paul Carty, and Alhamdulillah, 13 years ago I became Muslim, and now my name is Abdurrahim. I decided to come to Chechnya because I wanted to see if it was the same as Scotland, and Alhamdulillah, it is. It's very green, like Scotland, and it has mountains, rivers, lakes, and forests, like Scotland. When I arrived, I was very happy to meet my friends. When a guest arrives in Chechnya, you feel like a king. You feel very, very special. People here are very, very friendly and very, very welcoming. And this helps you to feel at home when you're here. When I visited Kharkaroy, I was very surprised to see the houses, because years ago the people left the small village and now it's empty. Just the ruins of the old houses. I always hoped to come and visit Chechnya, and Alhamdulillah, this year I came. My dream came true.